Assalamu alaikum, roll number 191016. So this is our lab number 7 of external and PC interrupts, and here this is our task of lab number 7 external PC interrupts. And inside that, first we have included our libraries of we have defined the speed of the FCPU 16 megahertz, and then we have included the libraries of interrupt and AVR, the IO.h and delay, and we have included LCD header. And then for inside main function, first we have called our function of LCD init, and then we have set our port D as our input, and then we have set the port D pin 2 as input, and then pin 3 as input. And then we have set the int 0, the interrupt number 0, to trigger on any logic change, and then we have set the interrupt number 1 to trigger on falling edge. And then we have turned on our interrupt number 1. We have used int 0 vector function, and then inside while function we have called the function of LCD string as waiting, then LCD command to set to clear the LCD screen. Inside the interrupt service routine and interrupt number 0 vector, we have again cleared our screen, then used the LCD string as interrupt number 0. Then we have again used the function of interrupt service routine, and we have used the interrupt number 1, enabled interrupt number 1, and first we have cleared our screen using LCD command 0x02. Then inside LCD string we have written interrupt number 1 and shifted, and then we have used a delay and finally shifted our LCD's cursor towards top left. So this is our Proteus simulation, and here we can now we will I'm going to upload the header file, the hex file. I've already uploaded, so now let's start our simulation. So here we can see on our LCD it is being written waiting. That was our condition here. Inside while 1, that first we used that we have written LCD string command as waiting, and that was our task of external PC interrupts.